Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're going to act fast. First, confirm your Apple ID is signed in at Settings and iCloud. Once done, make sure network access is stable, Wi-Fi or cellular, and your device shows the correct date and time because authentication can fail if it's wrong. Then update iOS if an update is available. Software updates often fix messaging bugs. After the update, open Settings Messages and enable iMessage so we can continue with account reactivation. Next, sign out of iMessage and your Apple ID. This clears stale tokens. Then sign back in, because reauthentication often resolves the signed out state. If activation stalls, reset network settings to clear corrupt connections. Note this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords. Make sure two-factor authentication prompts are accepted on any trusted device or phone number tied to your Apple ID, since blocking those interrupts activation. Also verify carrier SMS activation works. Some providers send a confirmation SMS during iMessage. To finish, toggle iMessage off, force close settings, restart the iPhone, then toggle iMessage back on to force a fresh activation. Make sure any old devices are removed from your Apple ID because duplicate registrations can block sign-in. If activation still fails, wait up to 24 hours for the activation server and contact Apple support with your device serial and Apple ID. Troubleshooting tip: check another device on the same account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.